Asthma, wheezing home remedies. 1. Garlic. Boil 2 or 3 cloves in 1/4 cup of milk. Allow it to cool to room temperature and then drink it. 2. Eucalyptus oil. Just put a few drops of eucalyptus oil on a paper towel and keep it by your head when sleeping so that you breathe in the aroma. You can also put 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil in a pot of boiling water and breathe in the steam. Try to take deep breaths for faster results. 3. Honey. Just inhaling the smell of honey produces positive results for some people. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.